Hey guys, welcome back to the Budget 4x4 Live. Today is a very good day because I actually managed to find a second-hand tow bar for my car. It's probably been 9-10 months looking for one because yeah, they are very rare and I don't want to pay $700 for one or $500 for a cheapie. So yeah, finally I got one. Let me show you what it looks like. Alrighty guys, so here's the tow bar. As you can see, it is a bit rusty. Look, my car is nearly 20 years old, so it's to be expected. Luckily there's no rust through or anything, so basically we're just going to give it a sand like I'm used to with the trailer by now, and then we're just going to run over it with chassis paint like on the trailer as well, just to give it a nice rough texture so it's good for chips and anything like that. Ideally I wanted a hitch tow bar, so that's when you can, you know, slide in and out. It's also good for recovery then, but you know, for the price I got it for $250, so that's an absolute bargain. So yeah, the price kind of makes up for it. Luckily there's a recovery point on my car at the back if I really need to use it. Otherwise I can just wrap the snatch strap around that bar over there if you know it's a very serious case. But yeah, that's all good. I also managed to get one of these, so Blue Pack Automotive extended shocks. This is basically just for more flex, because who doesn't want more flex? So yeah, that's pretty cool. So we're gonna fit them today. I'll show you what the size is of the stock shock absorbers. They are probably about this size, so yeah, it's gonna flex real good. But anyway, let's get into it. Okie dokie, so we just finished with the sanding, so this is what it looks like at the moment. Alright, so I couldn't get those bolts off to take the actual tow ball off, so that will have to stick on there. So we're just going to use a primer again, in case you're wondering which one. You can just use this one from Super Cheap Auto. Rust Prime Converter. We can rub that on and then we'll paint it with chassis paint. Alrighty, so the tow bar is now primed, so we're just going to put a fan on it so it dries nice and quickly. So basically that's just going to convert the rust platform sort of ish into a paintable platform, so we can put chassis paint on it. But in the meantime we'll take the shockies and make them look nice and new until this one is done drying. Alrighty guys, so when it comes to the shockies, basically what you want to use is a heavy duty cleaner. In this case I'm going to use a barbecue grill cleaner. Yeah, why not? See if that works. To get the rough bits off the shock, I'm just going to use a hard textured sponge and just a clean cloth to make it nice and shiny. So we'll see if that works. If not, we'll try something else, but yeah, let's go for it. Alrighty guys, so I just quickly finished it. It's not 100%, but as you can see there's a massive difference already. Like, look how shiny it is compared to this one. So there you go, there's the difference. So as you can see, it comes out nicely. It's obviously a used chalk, so it's not going to look brand new. So only so much you can do. We'll put it in and see if I like the yellow, otherwise I'll just make them black. But for now, yeah, it works good. Yeah, so as you can see, I just finished them. They came out alright. But I went to my car and I, visualized how it would look. And I think the yellow color is a bit, it doesn't really fit with the car's theme. So I'm just going to go out and paint them black. But yeah, the tow bar is also done as well. Look at that. Look at the difference the prime makes. It doesn't even look like it needs to be painted. But yeah, I'll just obviously give it a coat. But yeah, that came out mint already. So yeah, definitely go grab the rust converter from Supercheap, because yeah, it makes big difference as you can see. But yeah, we'll crack on with the shockies, and then after we've painted that or gave it one coat, then we might start on the tow bar, and when that's done we'll give the shockies the final coat. So yeah, let's get into it. Alrighty guys, I just finished up the tow bar. It's looking mint. Just look how good it looks. So yeah, I'm pretty stoked. Alright, so I got the fans running, as you can see. So yeah, the shockies should be dry in a few minutes. So I think what we'll do is we'll get the car into the garage, jack it up, so that it's ready for action. Alrighty, so my lift at the back is currently at 48, so we'll see if we gain any additional lift with the longer shocks. Probably won't, because it's more the spring that makes the height go higher or lower, whereas the shock is more for comfortability and flex. But yeah, we'll see anyway. Alright, just to show you guys the difference, here's the old shock, there's the new one. So as you can see, there's like a couple of inches more flex, which is great. It also has a bigger bore, which means if you go on corrugated roads, it will withstand the heat better than this one. So yeah, let's put it. Alright guys, so as you can see, we tried to fit it. Unfortunately the exhaust was in the way, so we had to cut that off. So now it all lines up, but the problem is the holes of the tow bar are too small for the bolts to go through. So yeah, it's B-o'clock, and then we'll continue drilling holes into the tow bar, and then hopefully it should fit. But yeah, what a muck around it is, eh? Man, it is so frustrating, but yeah, we finally got the bar on. So yeah, I didn't film it because it was just taking too long. I was stop starting all the time. But yeah, luckily the bar's now on. So as you can see, it's all good. So what I need to do is do the nuts. So there's still that one that needs going there. The front one is in. Once that is all good, then yeah, then the bar will be on. To do this, I had to chop off the exhaust over there because it was in the way. and luckily it just fitted because that's actually against it. So what I'll need to do is grab some rubber and put it there, or you know, otherwise it's going to rattle. But yeah, fun times, eh? Fun times. So yeah, it's definitely a process, but luckily I didn't need to chop the tow bar itself, because normally the long wheelbase comes with an extra bit that you need to chop off to be able to fit on the short wheelbase, but luckily the bar wasn't like that. So yeah, it's all good. So I'm just basically going to put some rubber underneath the muffler just so it doesn't vibrate. So yeah, that's what we're going to do now. Alright, I'm just quickly going to start it up to see if it vibrates. So yeah, let's quickly check. Alright guys, so for the moment being, that will do. I need to go to an exhaust shop and just fix up this thing, just so it comes out the back, because at the moment it's underneath the car, so it's pretty loud. But yeah, we'll get that fixed. What we'll do now is we will put the bumper back together, and then I'll show you what the final look looks like. Alright guys, finally we have fitted the tow bar. So there's just a few marks over here. So over there, and yeah, just all over the tow bar. And just over there as well. So just use some cream cut polish, and that will get it out. And then I'll show you guys what it looks like. Hey, there you go guys, I'm done for today. Oh man, it's been a very long day. The sun is now set. So yeah, it's getting dark. I reckon I'm pretty hutful. If you don't know what hutful means, it means that you are so tired of doing work, you just want to have a beer and relax. So yeah, but yeah, overall it's been good. As you can see, it came out really nice. It's the precise height that I'm looking for as well for the trailer, which is very good. And yeah, so shocks are in, tow bars on. Now I just need to take it to the auto electrician to fit some wiring harnesses, and then we're good to go. And then we can register the trailer and go camping. So that's the ultimate goal. So yeah, thanks guys for watching. I appreciate your support. Make sure to like and subscribe on the channel to see more videos like this. And yeah, I'll catch you guys next week. Have a good one.